Morning. Today I'm going to speak about experiment 1B data pre-processing. In this, first I inputted the data libraries for this experiment. In this, they asked first question as read the data. I loaded the data set using pandas into a data frame. This is the first step before performing pre-processing. In this, I printed the header of the data set and the shape of the data set. In second question, they asked to calculate the percentage of missing values in the columns. I calculated the percentage of missing values for each column. For each column, this helps decide and how to handle missing data. In third question, they asked to replace missing values with main for the numerical column. For numerical columns with less than 10% missing values, I replaced null values with the mean. This avoids data loss and keeps distribution stable. In fourth question, they asked to perform the interpolation using nearest method. I used nearest method interpolation to fill missing numerical values. It estimates values based on nearby data points. Fifth question, they asked about perform the model imputation for categorical data. For categorical columns with less than 10% missing values, I feed a null values using the model. This replaces missing values with the most frequent category. In sixth question, they asked about drop the columns with more than 10% missing values and display the size. I removed columns having more than 10% missing values and I displayed the size of displayed the size. This helps maintain data quality and reliability. In seventh question, they asked to drop the rows with outer line z-score value greater than 3. I removed rows where quality has z-score greater than 3. This eliminates extreme outer liners affecting analysis. Ninth question, they asked to find the percentage of duplicate rows with all columns having the same value. I calculated the percentage of duplicated duplicated rows where all the values are identical. This helps identify redundant data. In ninth question, they asked to find the percentage of duplicate rows based on specific columns. I checked duplicates based on selected columns like customer, product line, age, and gender. Then I removed them to clean the data set. In 10th question, they asked to perform the min-max normalization for numerical feature quarterly tags using Python code. I scaled age values between 0 and 1 using min-max normalization. Then I visualized the transform values using scatter plot. Thank you. This is about experiment 1B data pre-processing.